Hey guys, this is Pankaj Kumar and you are watching Everything Programming Activity. And if you are new on our tutorial, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's start our session. In this session, let us understand how to use the link name to locate a link, and also let's see how to use ID attribute to locate a web element on the web page and how to work with it. Understand this concept. Let's use a scenario. So let's go to webpage activetime.com. On this page we have a link try free. So when we click on that, the page navigate to free online trial. On this page we have a form. Let's enter the field. The edit box is here. First name, last name, email and company. And there is a button start free trial. Whenever we click on that, but I don't want to spam. In the scenario, simply first land on this page, then we click on this try free link and then wait until the page navigate to free online trial. Then fill out these 4 fields to get the edit boxes. To create the edit box, we are going to use the let's get started. Let's go to home page and let me go back to Eclipse. On the Eclipse, I already set up the system property for Chrome driver and launch the instance of the Chrome over here using the driver object. Let's go to the URL, which is this. Browser will navigate to this side. Then let's click on the link. Before we click on the link, let's inspect it. Right click on that, go to inspect. How to find out whether object is link? Actually it's look like a button, but in fact it is a link. We can find out it by looking at the tag name. In a node with the tag for anchor, any node with a tag is a link. To work with the link, we need a link text. This is try free the link text. We have a simple method called try driver dot find element by dot link text driver dot find element using link text. Now the text of link try free. Simple as that. Now there is one important point, remember here. The actual link text appears as a complete uppercase over here, but if you see over here it is a lowercase. Which one to pick up? Actual how it's up here on the page, that we pick up. If on the page link text is in a capital letter, then we can pick up that. Will not use how it's given on the document. So over here we use driver dot find element by link text. What you want to do, just simply click on that. We'll use dot click operation over here. This particular line will click on the link. After clicking on the link, we expect driver navigate to free online trial page. Let's copy this URL and this location. I'm going to use web statement. Don't worry about this now, because we are going to cover this part in detail in a future. For now, let's create a WebDriver weight, and we need to import the WebDriver weight from Selenium. In short, what does this do it? Let's create a WebDriver object. Let's wait. In this case, using this wait object, we can apply dynamic web. In this case, wait until browser is navigating that particular URL. The way we can use it, again wait until expected condition dot URL to be actual URL is free online trial till URL become to this one. Then only perform the next operation, and next operation is the enter the till in the form fields. Now let's go to the form and inspect the field. Let's inspect the first name. So I'm going to activate the inspector and click on this one here, and this is the node input tag. Let's look the ID attribute. Yes, it has a ID attribute. The value of ID attribute is first name. I am going to copy this value. Let's go to Eclipse and use the driver again. driver dot find element by dot id and simply provide the id over here. What will do it? It will find the id whose id is first name. When element is found, we need to use send cage. The method enter the text, enter the detail to the application is send cage. First name and last, inspect the second one here, which is last name, the id is last name. The same thing, driver dot find element by dot id, the value of id last name. Again send keys, let's say last name is learning. Let's go back to third field, which is email. Activate the inspector, click on the email field, find the id is email, and again driver dot find element by dot id, the value is email, and send it page and design dot com. The final thing is company. Let's click on the company. It writes id at with company. Then same thing, driver dot find element by dot id and id attribute name is company. Then again send the key and value is Digenia, the name of the company. It's simple on that what we do. Dot set property, set the property of the Chrome browser, belongs the instance of the Webdriver. We navigate to the activetime.com URL. We click on the link, that name is try free using link text. Never be deal with the be clicking on the link, then waiting until navigate the next page. That's now it's we have form fill and fill the form details, first name, last name, email, company. Let's save this, let's run run as a Java application. Chrome is launch, BR and active time let's click on try free, let's enter the details pretty quickly.